This video demonstrates how to embed an existing data.oregon.gov calendar into an agency's SharePoint page. So starting from data.oregon.gov's homepage, I'm going to click on Calendars under View Types on the left side of the page. I'm going to select the third calendar in the list, Oregon Public Meetings Calendar. When viewing the calendar, in this case the Oregon Public Meetings Calendar, look to the upper right side of the screen and find the Embed tab. Click on Embed. This will reveal this specific calendar's embed code, as well as the size of the calendar when embedded in a page. Because this particular calendar has a lot of events, I'm going to select the largest size, just so it's easy for my users to see all events. This will also update the embed code. Please note you can also create a custom size for the calendar. I am now going to highlight and copy the embed code. The next and one of the most important steps is pasting the code into a text editor that can save the embedded code as a plain text file. Because I am using a Mac, I will be using the program TextEdit. But if you're using a PC, use Notepad. Now I'm going to paste the embed code into TextEdit. Then I'm going to save the file as plain text. Okay, now we want to upload this document into the appropriate SharePoint document library. I am going to upload my file to this document library. After uploading the document, you want to copy the file's URL. You will need this URL for the Content Editor web part. The Content Editor web part will reference or point to this text file to display the calendar on the page. Now let's navigate to the specific page you want to embed the calendar. I'm going to use this page as an example. Click on Edit. I want to embed the calendar within the article content section of the page. To do this, I first want to select the area within the section I want the calendar to display. Then click Insert and choose Web Part. This opens the interface to choose the web part at the top of the page. Select Media and Content. Under the Web Parts column, select Content Editor. Now click Add. Now I'm going to find on the page where the new content editor was added. Click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the web part. Select Edit Web Part. Paste the URL to the plain text file you uploaded to SharePoint previously in the Content Link field. When I copy the file's URL, it includes both authoring as well as staging in the address, since I'm in the staging environment. I want to remove this to make the URL relative. Click Apply. Your calendar should now be present on the page. Check in the page. You now have a data.oregon.gov calendar embedded in your agency's SharePoint page.